Welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Zodiac sign Virgo. Virgo is the sixth sign of the zodiac, to be exact, and that's the way Virgos like it, exacting. Those born under this sign are forever the butt of jokes for being so picky and critical, and they can be, but their attention to detail is for a reason, to help others. Virgos, more than any other sign, were born to serve, and it gives them great joy. The sense of duty borne by these folks is considerable, and it ensures that they will always work for the greater good. Virgo is represented by the Virgin, although this association should not be taken literally. Rather, Virgos tend to take on some of the qualities, things like modesty and humanity. Virgos enjoy indulging their practical and of a virgin, logical side and poring over their projects to the nth degree. To say these folks are good at fact-finding almost understates the case, since Virgos revel in their exacting and are an asset in the workplace, as they can be counted on to get things right the first time, every time, without overlooking any detail. Virgo is ruled by Mercury, and as portrayed in ancient Roman mythology, Mercury wasn't one to sit still for long and was a bundle of energy, both physically and mentally, and that pretty much defines virgins. A Virgo's brain is in overdrive most of the time, which is why these folks get so much done. They are also able communicators and use their mental acuity to maximum advantage. Virgos enjoy studying a situation in great detail, whether it's a work project or a friendship. Virgins are truly interested in understanding things. Virgos are also neat and clean, save for the occasional sloppy virgin. They do exist, plus are also reliable and practical. The element associated with Virgo is earth, and in keeping with that, most Virgos are down-to-earth types. Virgos would much rather be humble and easygoing. That said, virgins do enjoy material possessions and are picky about what they bring into their lives. Some might even go as far as calling them self-centered, but it's really more of a desire to surround them with what's right. Virgos are well in business, where their decisions are usually dead on. While Virgos can be worrywarts, they do their best to temper these impulses. However, if this nervousness goes unchecked, it can lead to hypochondria. For that reason, Virgos are extremely health conscious, to the point of being storehouses of information on diet and hygiene. Many Virgos even choose a health or medical career so they won't miss a beat. Working out is elemental for Virgo, and the benefits of exercise are far more important to Virgo than the process itself. When it comes to the game of love, Virgos are able to loosen up somewhat and are devoted to their lovers, even if they can be a bit jealous. Since Virgo rules the intestines, worried Virgos need to be wary of bowel upsets. Soothing relief often comes in the way of earth tones like shades of tan and a warm yellow. The great strength of the Virgo born is in their practicality, sharp mind and attention to detail. When merged with their willingness to serve, Virgos become essential helpmates.